There you go. Okay, so there's gonna be a song that I want you to play hopefully soon. It's called Endless Alleluia. Endless Alleluia by Corey Asbury. I'll send you the song later. Listen to it a few times. You're gonna hear that it's very mellow. I don't want that mellowness. I want a little bit more of a dramatic build-up. So the actual song goes like this. And in the morning when I rise to meet you, in the morning when I lift my eyes, you're the only one I wanna cling to. You're the first thought on my mind. Let our voices rise, no creation cries, singing out an endless alleluia. From this moment on, join with heaven's song, singing out an endless alleluia. Okay, so we're gonna do two things. One, I don't want you to play it like that. We're gonna do a kind of like 3-step process, if that makes sense. First, I don't want you to play basic chords. I don't want just that. That sounds pretty, but we can make it more prettier. Okay, we can make it a lot prettier. Secondly, when we play the chorus, you're gonna build up. I don't want us to be loud and you being barely like bum bum bum. I want more of a emotional build up. So how that's gonna sound for you, this is version 1. What am I doing there? With the right hand, it's just this. You're just going up, and we're in the key of B flat. We're just going up one by one. Left hand, it's E flat, F, G minor, B flat. And you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bum, bum, bum. Oops. And then here you go, out of the next one, and just go down what you just played. Okay, try that a few times. That's the easiest version. Second to easiest version, the next version basically would be where you start adding the actual chord. So what are we doing there? We're doing this. So it's just E flat, and you're adding these two. You're adding the major 7th, the 9th, right here the 10th, which is just the same thing as this one from here, and the 5th again on the top. Okay. So that's E flat. F, you're just gonna add this one right here, which is a 9th. Gives it that nice sweet sound. For G minor, I want you to play with the G minor 7, so that's why we add this, and you just emphasize these two. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, and then B flat, but you're gonna play like this because of the C. So when you put that together, just take off the B flat from the E flat, you get no bad. Try that a few times. That's version 2, a little more harder. What we're doing is to build up to something that's going to be a lot more out of your comfort zone. Those 2 were to get you into that rhythmic part. Part 3 is going to be actually extending the actual full chord. So you're going to go. So, okay, I don't want you to look at this yet until you have mastered the other 2 first, okay? Because this one is a little more complicated. You start with the E flat to the 5th of the E flat to the major 7th to the 9th. Sorry, not the 9th, 10th. So to F, you keep the 5th, the 6th, and you go to 10th. To G minor, which you're just going to be playing G minor with the octave on the 3rd, like that. And then you're going to bring it back down to the B, to the F, sorry. Instead, okay? And then with the right hand, you're going to do octaves. It's going to sound. Oops. Oops, my bad. So that's the first part. Once we get into a bridge, which is going to be more of an instrumental, I want you to be able to play the actual melody. Listen to the melody a few times, what it's going to sound like. My bad. So that would sound like. So that. See how pretty that sounds? Now let's speed it up a bit. This is how the total final product should sound like. I'm sorry, I need to I have this thing in the way, so I might accidentally bump it a little bit, and I'm sorry for that, but this is how it's gonna sound. And see, it's very pretty. I'm sorry that I'm messing up a little bit. This thing is really in the way, but that's gonna be your kind of homework, your big homework. This one is one that I really want to have perfected as soon as possible, but it is gonna take a little bit of time there. I'd say at the very least get to this phase 2, which is the second one with the chords. Oh, my bad, it's so hard to play like this. At least with that. Sounds very pretty already. All right, and yeah, that's it.